Yo, what's up, you all traders? I hope you are still in the game and you are doing well. Okay, today I want to discuss my own strategy, which I have been working for a while after testing a lot of tons of strategies and indicators, pain indicators. Finally, I found something which is very good and giving me a very good win rate up to 80%. Guys, this is crazy. This thing is working. Finally I have realized that the market is working pretty much on a swings with the support and resistance. Okay, so I have posted this strategy before if you watch my video, but now I have realized that we are ignoring the hidden bullish and bearish divergences. Now I have been tweaking this strategy, and now today I'll show you that how you can find the divergences, which is almost 90% traders ignore this, and I'm also ignoring this for a while, but now I have realized that we have to look for the divergence also to catch a good profitable trade. Okay, so this is gonna be very simple. It could be a beginner friendly. Okay, this is very beginner friendly. The chart will not look a messy, very simple thing. We are using just a free stochastic indicator and a Japanese candle. Okay, so let's get to it. So first of all, I'm using, and I have been testing this strategy on a 1 hour time frame, and it's given me a win rate of 80% guaranteed. You can test it on yourself also. I have been taking this trade. You can see this is my recent trade, and I have taken this trade on my live account, and pretty much I'm back testing it. You will see it. Okay, so let's get to it. First of all, we need a stochastic. So click here and write stochastic here like this. This is the default free one stochastic from the trading view. Click on it. Okay, after that we need to change the candles to Japanese candle, which is called Haknashi. So you have to click here and then click the Haknashi. Okay, I'll show you why this is important. Okay, now on the previous video I have tell you that we are waiting just for two confirmations to take a trade. Okay, so our first confirmation will be the crossover between these two lines, the stochastics. Okay, we will be waiting for this. Patience is very important in this. Okay, if you see the market is in a downtrend like this, okay, so you will not trade here. You will wait for the trend to be changed here, and our first confirmation is the crossover. Now then the second confirmation is that the Japanese candle should be green here. Okay, this is our second confirmation. Okay, one more thing you can follow here. If you want to trade more safely and don't want to risk it, then you need to spot this candle, the Japanese candle, like you can see here, the full candle with no wicks from the bottom like this. Now this is our third confirmed trade. Okay, but you can take this trade also. You can take this one, but if you see a lot of wicks here, so then you can ignore and wait for this solid Japanese candle like this one. Let me remove this. Okay, so now this is the strategy which I'm talking about in the previous video, that we are this is the recap of what I have told you on the previous video. Okay, but now I have been tweaking this strategy, working on it. So now today we will talk about the divergences. Okay, so first of all we had to change the colors of these lines so we can see it clearly. So click on the settings here and make this blue one a green and make it thicker a bit so you can see it clearly, and this line make the orange one to red and make it a bit thicker like this. Click on OK. Now you can see the lines are pretty much visible. Okay, and the green one is our signal line. Whenever this green one crosses the red one, this is our crossover on the oversold area. So this is our confirmations for the long or buy signal. And whenever this green line crosses the red line like here, okay, on the overbought area above the 80 line, so this is our short or sell trade. Okay, and the second confirmation, you have to be waiting for these candles to be red for the short one, and for the long one this is the crossover and this is the green candle. It must be green with no wicks in the bottom. Okay, now the new thing, the third thing which I have just realized. Sorry for this one. Let me clear this. Now we have to find the divergences also. Let me show you if we see another pair. Okay, now you can see here. Now you can see that I am back testing this thing and I have taken these trades on my live account. I am following the 1.5 rule here. Okay. Now how we can find the divergence here? It's pretty simple. You can draw a line here like this in the downtrend like this. Okay. And then you see the stochastic here that this area is being tested 4-5 times. Now you can see, now you have found a hidden bullish divergence. Now this is your fourth confirmation and this trade will give you a good profit. This will be a very profitable trade. If you see here, okay, almost it's 6 reward ratio. If you are following the Japanese candle here, okay, if you are following this and you are seeing a big green candles like this, so it means the trend is in this continuation. You can go with it, you can hold the trade as far as you see the red candle at the top, and you see the crossover here, so it means that the market is overbought a lot above the 80 line. Now it's time to exit from this trade, but you can see the profits are pretty much good here. It's a very profitable trade. Okay, after that you can see that I have short the market also, and also with my 1.5 rule this trade is also very profitable. Okay, so this is the simple thing I can found, and this I have been working on this strategy for a while. I've been back testing with different session times and it is profitable. I can guarantee you from 70% and above. Personally, I have taken in the last 2 days, I have taken pretty much 7 trades, and just I have been stopped out from one, and the 6 trades I have won all the trades. Guys, this is crazy and very good strategy. The market is working. I have realized a lot that the market is reacting to the swings, the support and resistance. Pretty much simple. You didn't need a bunch of indicators, didn't need a bunch of paid indicators. Okay, this is all bullshit. Just the simple thing you have to follow for the divergence. And if you don't know how to find divergence, then no problem, you can also trade. I am trading this without a divergence. Okay, it's also giving a pretty good result. But now I have shown you that if you spot a divergence like this, then it's your fourth confirmation and you will be pretty much confident or your trade, and you can hold the trade for more profits. Okay, but the basic rule I have been following here is 1.5, and I'll recommend to follow this also. It seems to be a very low profit for you, but if you take these trades, you can find 4 to 5 trades per day like this. Just open the trade, put your SL, put your TP and leave the screen, because it will gonna take some time. Okay, so if you found 4-5 trades, I guaranteed, I assured you that if you follow the rules accordingly, you will get a 70-80% profit here. Okay, let's see the short example right here. Now you can see that the short is pretty much a good trade here. So our first confirmation is the crossover happening above this line. This is our first confirmation above the 80 line. Now, but we see that there is a green candle, so we will wait for the red one. Now you can see this is our second confirmation, this red candle. Okay, so now our conditions are met. And the third, I am talking about the divergence. Again, we have spotted a divergence here. Let me show you. See, this is a double top and also a hidden bearish divergence. So now we have a 3 confirmation here, so we can take this trade on a short position. This is our trigger candle, and the stop loss must be above the wicks. One more thing, keep in mind, guys, that these Japanese candle, you will not gonna see the live price action happening on the normal candlesticks. So if you are trading with small account, it will blow your account, because you cannot see the price action happening here. Okay, so make sure to put your stop losses above the wicks. Don't put a tight stop losses like this. Okay, I am following another rule here, the even number rule. Okay, so the even number rule is like this: if the price made reach a certain price like this 1.60, so this is a even number. So like this, I am putting this to my stop loss. Okay, now you have given it a lot of room, and let it play. It will take a little bit of while. Just take the trade and leave the screen, go for a walk and leave it, let it play out, guys. The patience is very important here, because it will take some time. Okay, like this, we can see if we follow 1.5 rule here, the risk to reward ratio, it's pretty much taking a whole day. Okay, but you are tension free, and this trade is also in our favor. Okay, so this is the condition. You can follow whatever you like. I am following these conditions. The first one is the crossover rule. If I'm going, if I'm looking for short, so the first confirmation is that the crossover must be above this 80 line. The second confirmation to the Japanese candle will become red. This is my second confirmation. The third one is the divergence. If I found a divergence, then now I have gone more confidence on my trade, but this is not important. These two confirmation is enough for you. You can trade with this. Okay, and let it play. Just open the trade, put your stop loss, put your TP, and let it play. Okay, guys. So this is the simple one, guys, and test it on a demo account. At least test it with 1 week, please. It's important. So because every trader has his own style, so test it on a demo account for a week and see the result. I can assure you, if you follow the rules which I mentioned you will get above 70% the result. And it is, I can assure you, I can guarantee you, if you are following the rules, so I can assure you that it will give you the up to 70% result on your trading. And just make sure to do not trade with the whole amount with one trade. Okay, just use 1%, 2% of your account balance and see the magic happening here. It will take some time, but you will see that your account is finally growing. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching. If you watched the whole video, thanks again, thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Take care.